Hello viewers, welcome to BotPenguin. In this video, we will discuss about all the permissions that you can assign while creating a role. BotPenguin allows you to create custom roles with specific permissions, enabling precise control over what each team member can access and modify. So let's quickly discuss what are all the permissions that you can assign while creating a role. Once you sign up on the BotPenguin platform, you will land on this page. On the left hand side, you'll find different options. To create a role, you have to go to the team section right here. You'll find 4 different subsections here: team, business hours, members and roles. So clearly we'll go to the roles section to create a role and assign permissions. We have the create role button right here. We'll simply tap on it. And here we have the list of all the permissions that you can assign. And the best part is you can configure the read, write and delete permission for all of these. Read permission will allow the user to view the content without making any changes. Write permission will allow the users to view and edit the content. For example, here we have some settings section permissions. If you enable the read and write permission for the custom attribute, then this will allow the team members of this role to view and edit the custom attributes, but they will not be allowed to delete the custom attributes. Similarly, you can assign the permissions for custom status and quick replies. Then we have the subscription section permission. This permission will give the access to accounts billing details, and this permission will give the access to accounts add-on details. You can configure the read, write and delete permissions for these as well. This is the My Account section permission, which will give the access to users' access tokens. Then we have some bots related permissions here. This is a WhatsApp profile permission that will give the access to WhatsApp profile for WhatsApp chatbots. This is a broadcast permission that will give the access to broadcast settings for all chatbots. We also have the drip campaign permission, and the answer is clear. This will give access to drip campaigns for all chatbots. You can also assign the permissions for access to manage Telegram bots and to manage MS Team bots. We also have some inbox section permission. This will give the access to all the chats across chatbots. This will give the access to all the contacts across all chatbots. Then we have the third-party apps integrations permission. This will give the access to manage third-party integrations for all the chatbots. This is how easily you can manage the permissions for all of these on the BotPenguin platform. To understand the purpose of all of these permissions, you can read the notes from here. So that was all about how you can assign permissions on the BotPenguin platform. If you have any doubts, you can refer to the help documentation. The link will be provided in the description box below. Thank you.